The real estate market is showing signs of life on the prospect of more interest rate cuts from the Bank of Canada. That's according to the real estate boards in Calgary, Vancouver, and Toronto. Scott Peterson has been going through the latest home sales numbers. So, Scott, let's start with the numbers out this morning from the Toronto Real Estate Board. What did they show?
They're showing that more buyers are entering the market, Natasha. Everyone seems to be encouraged with lower interest rates and the potential of more drops to come. And so we're seeing actually sales were up month over month. Year over year, sales are still pretty soggy. And let's take a look. And these numbers are just out this morning from TREB. Toronto August sales are up 0.6% month over month, but year over year sales still kind of flat, down about 5.5%. New listings continuing to rise in all three cities that we'll get to. 1.5% was the rise over this time last year in Toronto. About 12,500 new homes are listed. We're seeing that prices as well kind of just soggy and stalemated, down less than 1% over this time last year. It's a little bit of a recovery, just under $1.1 million for a home. That's an average home, whether it be a condo, townhouse, or semi or detached as well. Vancouver home sales down 17%, about 1,900 homes sold during the month of August. New listings up 4.2%. Inventory over this time last year up 37%. There's 10,000 current listings, and sales down about 1% over this time last year, or prices, I should say. That's just under now $1.2 million. Rounding it out with Calgary, sales down about 19% from this time last year. New listings up 13%, inventory up 37%, and the average price up 6.3% over this time last year. A lot of people still going into the province. Oil sands jobs, for example, sale price just under $602,000. Now, all three boards saying that prices would be higher if there was not such a flood of new listings and new inventory for buyers to choose from, and as well. And all three real estate boards are confident that we're going to see a rebound in prices now that we're starting to see some direction from the Bank of Canada and more decisions potentially, and this is what economists are thinking, more rate reductions from the Bank of Canada is expected. Now, take that with a grain of salt, Natasha. These real estate boards are in the business of selling real estate, but nonetheless, there's a lot of optimism that more cuts from the Bank of Canada will sort of boost the real estate market and encourage more people to take out mortgages.
Okay, good.